how nice the M2 is, bro. They're little go-karts.
Oh, shit!
Another day in New York where it's below 30 degrees and I'm not gonna fly my drone for an intro clip. Sorry, guys. So today is December 1st. That means Toys for Tots. Something annually here on Long Island. A lot of people that live in the area come here. It's pretty well known. Should be interesting. I might fly my drone there. I don't know. It's snowing today, so yeah, I don't know if I'm trying to damage the drone, but we'll see. Might have to risk it for content. I don't know. It's that boy. Well, my friend's here. Antonio. Look at that 3-point turn. To get in is kind of fucking ridiculous. Should be interesting. What's up, dude?
Yo, bro.
I'm gonna try to let this fucking Nissan Altima get in front of me. Yo, we're in, Antonio. We are in. Thank you, appreciate it. He let me through. He's trying to redirect people. Which spot are you taking, bro?
Hold on, bro. Calm down. Shit.
You're taking 2 spots. Antonio! I did not even wash my car.
Yo, there's so much.
Bro, you could literally, bruh.
Yo, you did not.
Bruh. Surprised we found parking next to each other, actually. The toys that we're donating. All right. Ran into my uncle. He has that. He just said he bought a 458 Speciale. That costs like 700 grand.
I know, bro.
700 grand. But look, we got the JDM gang over here. But
you got the Porsche gang. Dude, that's super special.
We're off-roading. Let's go see what's popping here. I see this car everywhere. Huh? Have you not seen this car at Belmore like a million times? It looks like a Ford GT, but it's a project car. They built it themselves.
The older one, the 2008 one?
No, this isn't even a Ford GT. They literally project built this car. CLS 63. This is, oh my God. Look at the Ford Giotto. Damn. Where's GT3? Yo.
Oh my God. Yo, he's just showing off at this point.
Mad props to this dude. There's Ferrari here. GTC4 Lusso, I believe. We are getting the drone ready to go up.
Yo, dead ass have the drone.
Yeah, I do.
This is how it works.
Urus that pulled in. Like that? You're a Urus guy?
No, I'm not a Urus guy.
Look, Aventador. This way. 48 park smug, bro. No, he probably decided to park here away from everyone.
No, because the Lambo couldn't get in, so he's like, if the Lambo...
Wait, they were with the Lambo?
Yeah, he was right behind the Lambo.
No, M5, M2.
Hey, sick.
Bro, I love the M5. Look at how nice the M2 is, bro. They're little go-karts.
Motherfucker! leaking.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck?
No, Jeep is supposed
That was shit. He's gotta chill with that shit. Bruh. The whole parking lot comes here now. That shit was way too fucking loud. Hey, we got another. He's got 2 kids in the car with him. I like that.
I like what he did with his 2 children.
It's a good father. He be owning like restaurants and shit. You got the Rick and Morty and the Simpsons.
I fucked with this Riley right here. Hey, you already know.
Bro, that dude has to chill.
Bro, I think his engine's literally gonna catch on fire, bro.
Bro, I don't care about a 370Z, my guy.
What? Yo, those cars are dumb.
That guy's still going with the Jeep, bro. Nice. Look at that.
Finish like collision.
That's
so
a
that
race.
means they repair the car.
It's a race car. That means that they go to New Jersey Motorsport Park or something.
Yeah, but isn't it because it doesn't mean that they just like get cars that are like beat down or something?
That's what my dad does. Body shop. Basically, if you got in an accident, he repairs it. There you go. That's body shop for you.
Yeah.
He flexed up on a trailer with his GT3. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I can't feel anything. It's time to go. It's time to go. Not even.
Can't leave. Oh, yo, he took off.
Is that dude with the Ferrari good? Where?
I don't think he has a rear view camera. He doesn't.
No, that's Ferrari, bro.
Ferrari doesn't have rear view cameras.
Nice.
Bro, I've never seen modifications like that. Dude, that's
You know what's bad? That I don't even know what the fuck that is. Yo, dude.
too cold.
What's good, bro? Good seeing you. I'm out. Have a good time. All right, ready? This one. Time for Chipotle. Chilling Chipotle right now. Finished, slammed the burrito, done. Homie's still working.
Yo, bro, I'm hungry.
But yeah.
Starving. I do intermittent fasting.
He's got a faster car than me, so he's got the right
Like
way.
3 horsepower.
3 more horsepower than me. So this is Antonio. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right there. And yeah, it was a good day. Now we're going home.
Oh, shit.
AMG gang. That guy came out of fucking nowhere. This basically concludes the day. Goodbye.